our population, our friends, family, so much. So we need to take some of the preventions to aware it. First of all, I would like to give you some of the preventions of coronavirus transmission. So, first, regularly wash your hands frequently. Cough and sneeze with elbow instead of your palm. Dispose your used tissue regularly, even I can say immediately. And try to avoid the other with others to shake hands or to touch other person. Try to avoid going in the crowds or the public gatherings. Avoid touching your face unnecessary again and again. Clean the surface frequently which you are using regularly or where many people used to touch that surface. Avoid all the non-essentials travel. Please go out home only if it is required. If you can do without going outside, please prefer not to go out of your home. Stay safe, stay home, and try to isolate yourself in your home if you are sick, because you don't know that you might having a normal cold cough, but why to why to risk others life. Okay, so I will preferably, please stay at your home. If it is not required, don't go outside. Work from home if it is possible. Like, I first of all I would like to thanks to our company Smart Study Hub, which provided us work from home in turn. I will very thankful for them. And only wear a mask if you are sick, have COVID-19, or are caring for someone with. First of all, I would also like to tell you little bit about hand washing. Like, some of the people, what they are doing, they only use to open a tap and for 5 seconds they wash hands, and they think that our hands are clean. But at least 20 seconds you should wash your hands. Traveling in a if you are traveling in a public transport, being a public place, coughing, sneezing, so you should, after that activities, you should wash your hands regularly. Okay, try to keep sanitizer if you are going outside with you. Avoid touching your face, as I told above, because that the covid remains on certain faces for up to 3 hours, or sorry, 3 days. So keep this limitation contact with others. People should take to avoid coming to the close contacts with others, especially those who are or unwell or having symptom of virus. And try to maintain a 6 feet distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing, because you don't know that when a person can sneeze or coughs. Okay, if the small droplets of the virus leave your mouth or nose, then you will probably be having that covid. Okay, so this is especially important for the people at higher risk of getting seriously ill from covid-19, such as other adults, people with the following underlying health condition, older person also, and especially having heart disease, lung disease, and diabetes. So if staying home is unwell, if a person has mild symptoms of covid-19, they can self isolate by standing home and avoiding contacts with others. And if it is not necessary for your medical attention, I will also like that not to visit healthcare regularly. If it is unnecessary, please take the normal medicine if it is possible, like if it can be done, because if you are going at hospitals without any need, so it's not a waste. Suppose your family members, one of the family members is ill and he is admitted in hospital for some other reason rather than coronavirus, so I should prefer, if it is not necessary, please don't go. Prevention trip or tips also I will like to give for the traveling. If a person is traveling, all the above prevention advice still applies and may help reduce the risk contacting the virus. People at lower risk can access the potential risk of traveling, then it decided whether it is best to postpone or cancel their travel plans. Okay, so I would also further give an awareness. If a person is going out, or he has traveled before, or he is coming from the other states to India, other states to their states, please tell the CMO of your district, or we can say medical department, so that they can verify that you are having COVID or not, because it is possible that now the without symptoms also COVID is also coming. Why to risk others life because of you. Prevention in your household, you should keep surface clean. A person should clean all surfaces that people touch regularly, including lights, switches, door handles, and countertops, and many other things. Try to sanitize your house regularly, especially doors, railings that are used by others, or staying a separate room or bedrooms, using a separate bedroom if possible, cleaning and disinfection bathroom surfaces after using them, as I had told before. Especially those who need to go at workplace without some reason, we can say government. So you should also prevent something like which I'm telling. Employers and workers can reduce the risk of coronavirus transmission in the workplace. Cleaning and disinfecting all surface regularly. Encourage regular hand washing by putting up posters, applying hand sanitizer, and providing access to soap and water. These all things. And prevention at school. Some ways to prevent transmission in school include displaying posters, encourage proper hand washing. Although this time schools are not opening, but after that also you should need to take these precautions. Okay. So how to and when to use face mask? This is also a main. As according to WHO, people will only need to wear a face mask if they are having a cough, sneezing, or taking care of someone with COVID-19. Because face masks are only effective if a person uses them correctly. Take the following steps to use and to dispense the face mask correctly. Before touching the mask or the face, wash the hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds. Make sure that the mask covers the nose and the mouth with no gaps in the face and the mask. While wearing the mask, avoid touching it regularly because we need to touch it again and again. If a person does not touch the mask while wearing it, they should wash the hands again. Avoid reusing single use of mask. Okay, so this is all about the COVID-19. I have told you about the some awareness and the precautions. So for this, I would like to show